Looking to upgrade your home workout routine with a versatile piece of equipment? The best dumbbell for home training delivers adjustable weight options, compact storage, and reliable durability, making strength training easier, safer, and more effective for fitness enthusiasts at any level. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. FEIERDUN Dumbbell. The FEIERDUN Dumbbell is a smart choice for anyone looking for a multifunctional piece of fitness equipment to use at home. This 4-in-1 set transforms easily into dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, and even push-up stands, giving you the versatility to perform a wide variety of exercises like squats, presses, and curls without needing multiple tools. It's built with durability in mind, featuring an outer layer made of high-quality PE materials with an inner filling of iron, mud, and sand, making it sturdy while protecting your floors from scratches. The connecting rod is designed for comfort, using a 5mm thick steel tube covered with 20mm foam that's soft, sweat-absorbing, and ergonomically curved to fit your neck during barbell lifts. The non-slip ABS-coated dumbbell bar ensures a secure grip, while 4 thickened safety nuts keep the weights firmly in place for added security. With adjustable weights ranging from 6 pounds to 22.5 pounds per dumbbell, it's suitable for beginners and intermediate lifters. This set is easy to install, adaptable, and perfect for anyone building a home gym with limited space. Number 2. TYZDMY Dumbbell. The TYZDMY Dumbbell set offers an advanced and convenient solution for strength training at home with its impressive 15-in-1 adjustability. Each dumbbell can be adjusted between 5 pounds to 52.5 pounds across 15 weight levels, making it versatile enough for beginners and advanced users alike. What makes this set especially appealing is its 1-second adjustment mechanism, allowing you to switch weights quickly by simply rotating the handle. This design saves time between exercises and eliminates the need for multiple separate dumbbells. Safety is a clear priority, with the double auto-locking system which ensures the plates remain secure whether you're lifting overhead or performing intense workouts. The ergonomic grips, made with soft rubber wrapping, provide comfort and reduce slipping, even during sweaty sessions. A durable nylon base with 10 locking grooves keeps the dumbbells stable when not in use, while protecting your floors from damage. Compact, space-saving, and user-friendly, the TYZDMY Dumbbell set is an excellent choice for those seeking a complete, safe, and efficient home workout solution. Number 3. Balance Dumbbell. The Balance Dumbbell set is a durable and practical option for home or gym use, designed to provide a reliable strength training experience. Made with solid cast iron and encased in high-quality rubber, these dumbbells are built to last while minimizing noise and protecting your floors from scratches or dents. The ergonomic, contoured chrome handles are textured for a firm, non-slip grip, ensuring both comfort and safety during your workouts. This set comes complete with a sturdy 4-tier A-frame stand that allows you to neatly store the included dumbbells, which range from 5 pounds to 20 pounds, making it ideal for progressive training. The hexagon-shaped heads prevent rolling, keeping your workout space organized and hassle-free. With their versatile weight options, these dumbbells are suitable for full-body workouts, strength training, endurance building, or targeting specific muscle groups. Whether you're focusing on balance, flexibility, or overall conditioning, the Balance Dumbbell set provides everything you need in a compact, reliable, and easy-to-store package, making it a smart choice for any fitness enthusiast. Number 4. CAP Dumbbell. The CAP Dumbbell set delivers quality, variety, and convenience, making it a great addition to any home workout setup. This set includes pairs of 5-pound, 10-pound, 15-pound, and 20-pound dumbbells, along with a durable A-frame rack for compact storage. The rack's vertical design saves floor space while keeping your weights accessible and neatly organized. Built to last, the dumbbells feature heads made from ASTM A48 Class 20 gray iron, joined with a solid 1018 cold-rolled steel handle and coated with durable rubber to protect both the weights and your floor. The handles are chrome-plated and textured, ensuring a secure and comfortable grip for various strength exercises. Rubber inserts on the rack prevent scratches on both the dumbbells and the rack itself, adding extra durability. Ideal for isolations, full-body routines, or high-intensity interval training, this set allows you to target multiple muscle groups effectively. With its quality construction, space-saving rack, and versatile weight range, the CAP Dumbbell set offers reliability and functionality for both beginners and experienced lifters. Number 5. Fitvids Dumbbell. The Fitvids Dumbbell set is a well-rounded option for those wanting a complete home gym setup in a compact design. This 150-pound set includes pairs of 5-pound, 10-pound, 15-pound, 20-pound, and 25-pound dumbbells, along with a sturdy 5-tier A-frame rack to keep everything neatly organized. The dumbbells are crafted with solid metal chrome-finished contoured handles that are ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hands. Their textured grips ensure a secure hold even during intense workouts. The hexagon-shaped rubber-coated heads not only prevent rolling, but also help protect your floors and simplify storage. Suitable for a wide range of exercises, from full-body workouts to targeting specific muscle groups, this set provides flexibility and reliability for all fitness levels. Whether you're performing curls, presses, lunges, or more advanced strength training, the Fitvids Dumbbell set has the weight variety and durability to support your routine. With its sturdy rack and well-constructed design, it's an excellent investment for anyone building their home workout space. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.